IT departments across all sectors are facing significant reductions on IT budgets, whilst being tasked to maximize operational efficiency. Doing more with less has never been harder, as cyber threats, compliance demands, and technology costs continue to rise year on year. At Droplet, we believe that technology investments should deliver measurable outcomes. We achieve this by combining secure app delivery and cybersecurity together into a single unified platform that reduces complexity and improves security posture, whilst lowering operational spend. Backed by our Droplet NeverTrust guarantee of service. Let's take a closer look at how this can be achieved. Many organizations still rely on mission-critical x86 apps that have no practical upgrade path and only run on legacy operating systems such as Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 or older. A familiar challenge that we see wherever IT meets OT, particularly across our critical national infrastructure. To help address this challenge, Droplet guarantees that we can seamlessly migrate any x86 app, including any required dependencies, such as old versions of Java or legacy browsers, to any modern 64-bit operating system, completely unchanged without refactoring or modifying them in any way. Cybersecurity and compliance is no longer just an IT concern. It's a boardroom priority, which is underscored by the National Cybersecurity Center's latest annual review and reinforced across the latest cybersecurity frameworks. Unfortunately, for many organizations, technical debt is deemed as a high security risk, which doesn't comply with the latest standards. To help address this, Droplet guarantees that we can seamlessly migrate any x86 app from a non-compliant OS to a new, modern, compliant OS and deliver them unchanged and secure, in line with the latest framework recommendations, including NIS2, CAF, and DORA. For decades, traditional VDI was always the go-to solution for secure remote access. Today, it's commonly viewed as a luxury that many organizations can no longer afford. Meanwhile, for small to medium businesses, VDI was never even on the table due to the high costs and complexity. Droplet guarantees that by adopting NeverTrust as your core application delivery platform, we can deliver the same end-user experience at a lower cost using less hardware without the costs that you'd normally associate with traditional VDI. In today's digital climate, many organizations are increasingly seeking alternatives to traditional hypervisors, such as vSphere, Hyper-V, or Nutanix, that help them retain enterprise-class features at an affordable cost. Droplet guarantees that NeverTrust can either seamlessly integrate with your existing hypervisor, or it can completely remove the need for having one at all, whilst preserving enterprise-grade resilience, high availability and management at a significantly lower cost. If any of these scenarios apply to your organization and you'd like to learn how NeverTrust can help you, or if you'd like to discuss a no-risk, no-upfront cost proof of value, contact our team at info@droplet.world or visit dropletnevertrust.com. Thank you.